name is Dr. Romualdo Segurola. I work for HCA Florida Heart and Vascular Care. We have many hospitals. We have many specialists. And certain hospitals specialize in one thing over the other. What I want patients to know is that we're going to find the best care for them. My approach, it has to be a patient-centric approach. A patient comes to me, and really it's a very solemn relationship because they really put all your trust in you. The one thing that you can give a patient is complete honesty. HCA offers me all the latest technologies that I can ask for. And since I have for many years now developed a complete line of minimally invasive heart surgery, then I can offer patients extremely complicated surgeries, but through minimally invasive platforms. The most satisfaction that I receive is these patients come to you when it's heart surgery in despair. These are life or death situations. The loss of a father or a mother is a complete disruption for the family unit. That reunification of the family makes it all worthwhile.